Let's first see what is distance, what is displacement. So first let's talk about distance. The distance between 2 points is rather the length of the path. Okay, so say if this red particle goes through this path, okay, it goes through this path and the length of this path is say 28 meters. The yellow particle goes from the same point, initial point 1 to the final point 2, but through this yellow path, okay, and say this is 32 meter, then the distance covered by the yellow particle is obviously greater than the distance covered by the red particle. But what about the displacement? If we see the displacement of the two particles, the displacement for the yellow particle is equal to the displacement for the for the red particle. Now, what is the displacement equal to? This is the displacement. The displacement say is maybe 15 meters. Okay, so displacement is the shortest distance between any 2 points. So displacement for both the particles is 15 meters. Okay, so now say if I give this point and this point, say I will give you some paths. Okay, you have to determine which is the distance, which is the displacement. Okay, so this is the second path. All right, now this is the third path. Let me use a different color. Third path. So can you say which is the displacement? The displacement is the red path, okay, because it's the shortest distance between the 2 points, initial and the final point. Okay, now say there was a person at say New York, okay, then he moves on and goes to say London, okay, by flight. He goes to London. He's basically traveling the world, because next he goes to Beijing, then he goes to Tokyo. Okay, after that he goes back to his home, which was at New York. Okay, so what is the distance traveled by the person, if you ask? Well, I have not found out the distance between New York and London and Beijing, and Tokyo and Beijing. So let us assume this distance is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So the total distance traveled would be A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, that's the total distance traveled by the person. But what is the displacement? The displacement is 0, right? Because he came back to where he started. So the displacement is 0 for the person. So this is the difference between distance and displacement. I hope it is clear. If you liked the video, then hit the like button.